So I found this online, which gave me some ideas for playing around with felt using a laser cutter. And here you see one example with a different kind of net. The idea would be then to 3D print the bottoms, the lowers, and to glue those on. Here's another example with a different type of geometric net, and you can see that the upper part there where the laces go through, that's been 3D printed with a very thin print. That seemed to work pretty well. Here is a lower that's been 3D printed, and here you can see the support material, which hasn't been removed yet. Here's another exploration using felt on the upper part where it would touch the foot, and using some metal which was also bent in the wire bender, as well as 3D printed parts. Here all the 3D prints are with PLA stiff material, and that blue paracord which is holding up the upper part there, that was stiffened with some crazy glue, some CA glue, and that seemed to work pretty well. The lower yellow part was printed separately from the white part, and they were just glued together at the end.